to itty bitty stars. I am so excited because guess what? We are going to make our very own robot. We have got a special sequence of instructions to follow, and we are going to use our bodies as the machines to make the robot pieces. Like we might be a stamping machine, we might be a rolling machine, and we might be a chopping machine. But we will all need to work together. So let's jump up on our feet and let's have a look at our first robot part. Okay, the first one is the head. How do we make the robot head? Well, let's follow the instructions. We'll have to be a rolling machine. So can you give that a go for me? Let's try rolling. Fabulous job. Then we will need to be a stamping machine. So we start off high and then we stamp, stamp, stamp. Great job. And then we'll need to be the twisting machine. So let's get twisting as well. Well, before we start making our robots, make sure that there's nothing on the ground, nobody around, no furniture to bump into, and let's get ready. We'll push that start button. 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Roll, stamp, twist. Good job! Roll, stamp, twist. And shut down. Well done! How did we do? Let's see if our piece came out. Oh, perfectly! It did come out perfectly. It looks like we followed our list amazingly and we got it right. So let's continue. What is our next piece? Aha, the chest. Okay, we are going to need to make the chest, the body of our robot. We are going to stamp again. So let's stamp, and then the next thing we'll need to do is turn. So as a machine, we're going to turn. And then the last thing we'll need to do is flatten. So start up really high, and then we flatten all the way down to the ground. It's like stamping, but it's a big one. So we go flatten. Oh, fabulous job. So we stamp, turn, and flatten. Oh my goodness, that's going to be tricky, but we can do it. We are very, very clever. Let's get ready to press that start button. 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Stamp, turn, flatten. Whoa! Stamp, turn, flatten, and shut down. Great job! How well did we do? Let's wait for our piece to come out and we got it! We made the chest of the robot too. We followed the instructions perfectly. I want to keep going. What's the next piece we need to do? It is arms. Okay, how many arms would you like your robot to have? Shall it be like us with our 2 arms? Okay, let's make 2 arms. That means we are going to need to run the metal through the machines twice. Whew. Let's give it a go. We are going to do our instructions one side. For the right arm, we'll spin to the right, and for the left arm, we'll spin to the left. So the first thing we need to do is crank. So can you crank with your right arm? Let's do a nice big crank. Excellent job. So we crank and then we turn. So let's turn to the right. Whoa, and then we chop. Excellent. We'll try it one more time. It is crank, turn, and chop. Fabulous job. Let's hit that start button. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the robot making factory. I hope you are ready to dance.
Are you ready to dance? All right, let's have a listen. Let's go. Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Crank, turn, chop, Oh, good job. Crank, turn, chop. We're so clever, building butts together. Let's try on the other side. Are we ready? Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Crank, turn, chop. Crank, turn, chop. And shut down. Great job. We did it. Let's see how our arms came out. Did they come out right? I'm pretty sure we followed the instructions perfectly. They look amazing. Perfect job. Okay, we have the two arms. What's next? What do you think we're missing? Let's have a look. The hips. Perfect. How will we make the hips? First of all, our metal will need to go through the flattening machine. So we start up high and we go all the way down to the ground, and then it will need to run through the shining machine. So give it a nice big shine. Excellent job. And the last thing is twisting, the twisting machine. Fabulous job. Okay, so flatten, shine, and twist. Let's press that start button. 1, 2, 3. Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Flatten, shine, twist. Flatten, shine, twist. Oh my goodness, so clever. Let's shut down. Good job. How did we do? Aha! We did it. We made the hips. They look great. What is our robot missing though? We've got the head, we've got the chest, we've got the arms, we've got the hips. I think we've forgotten to do the legs. Should we check it out? Aha, here they are, the legs. And again, we will need 2 legs. So we'll have to go through our machines twice. So let's press that start button. Oh, before we do, we'll have to find out what we're doing. First of all, we are chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Then we are rolling. Roll, 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 roll. And then we are spraying. We're putting a coating on our robot. So we're using our finger, and then you make it into a little hook. Well done. So we spray our robot. Chop, roll, spray. Let's give it a go. Pressing that start button. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the Robot Making
Don't forget,
Factory.
we'll have to do it twice.
Are we
ready? Off we go. Getting it ready for 2 legs. Let's go. Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Chop, roll, spray. Chop, roll, spray. We're so clever, building butts together. Let's try it again. Are we ready? Making robots is so fun. Flick the switch and watch it run. Chop, roll, spray. Chop, roll, spray. And shut down. Let's see how well we did. Did we make the 2 legs? Perfectly. We followed the instructions perfectly, and now we have 2 legs for our robot. See what happens when we work together. Well done, everyone. We made our robot parts. It's going to be so exciting because now we're going to have to put them all together. All right, well, I'm excited to do that too, but it looks like it's time for us to push that go button. So would you like to sit down on your bottom and push some force over to my go button, please? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fabulous job, thank you. Hi, it's Beck from Itty Bitty Stars. Enjoy this? Find our full online program in our portal, info below, or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.